Howdy folks, welcome back to Space Engineers. I've got some more built down here in the bottom part of the base. The drill's drilling away. I need to go check and see where it's at. But as you can see, we've got a lot going on here. I got the cement kiln built because I needed concrete to finish up the synthetics factory. Now I've got that complete. That we can make stuff, including paint chemicals. Nice. That's how we make them for the paint gun. I wasn't sure. You can see I've made some polymer. So I think I mentioned somewhere back along the lines that there was organics oil sand on Mars, and I was wrong. I don't know what I was thinking. It's not on Mars. It's only Earth, Alien, and Pertam is where you'll find oil sand. There is no oil sand on Mars, so we won't be finding any of that. However, you can make synthetic polymer in this with silicon, carbon, and sulfur. So I made a little bit of plastic. I thought. No, I made the polymer. I haven't made the plastic yet. I was going to make 10 of those. I'm not sure why it's... Oh, I need to move it up, right. So this is how we're going to have to make plastic. We're going to have to make it with silicon, which is completely easy to find. Carbon, easy to find. Just turn gravel into carbon. No big deal. And then sulfur. And we can find sulfur on Mars. So we're good to go with that. So let's make some plastic. Just need to move that up there. And then we can finally start making stuff like an upgraded welder. It's going to make me so happy. I don't have these hooked up through the cargo yet, so I've just been running them manually. Let's turn that into cement. We've got a lot available. So we could start using cement for construction like we did on the old base. Nah, it took girders and stuff, didn't it? Well, I'll just make 100 more because it's cheap, and that way if I need concrete for some other construction, we'll have it on hand. I've started making a large industrial cargo container, but we're a long ways from finishing that off. I need a bunch more aluminum plate, so we'll have to go over and get bauxite at some point. But I wanted to get it started. I got this kind of started, hollowed out, so at least know where it's going to go. I put another battery down here just to separate it. Probably going to put probably 2 more there eventually, just to spread them out from the others. Alright, so that's going. Let's go get a new torch made, finally. And we'll check on the piston here. See how it's going. Alright, it's out to 28.2, so it's getting there. So we'll bring that back once it gets done, tilt those down, we'll get the next layer removed. There was a comment about adding another hinge so we could go this way too. And I thought about that, but there really wasn't room and not much need for it. This is basically just going to hollow out one shaft, and then we'll probably do away with this and come up with some other contraption. This is basically just temporary. Fairly cheap to make in the grand scheme of things. But let's head upstairs. It's like we're out of ice. The engines aren't running. But I want to make a torch, and I think I've already got that queued up. No, I unqueued it. Torch. No, we don't have a torch. Oh, it's called a welder. My bad. Alright, so we want to make a welder. And that's in... Yeah, in here. So we want to make the enhanced welder. Yes, please. Oh shoot, did I use all my aluminum plate? No! I meant to leave too. No, I have aluminum plate. It's just being silly. Oh, it's full of gravel. That'll do it. Let's see. Incinerator. Can I move this over? So this is the problem. Let me cover this as well. So I hooked that back up with a tube, and then I set the incinerator to not use conveyor, but it does anyway. So word to the wise. Use conveyor system. Off. It does. It pulls it right in there anyway. So I've got that turned off. So I need to go remove that elbow again, and we need to make a sorter. So we're going to try to do that today, but I wanted to get the torch made first. That just immediately fills up with stone, it looks like. Are we that full of stone? Oh, we're just stuffed full of stone. Gotcha. We're stuffed full of gravel. Alright, let's turn this off. Don't pull any more of that in. Turn the drills off. Oh, brother. We cannot get that sorter done fast enough. Alright. New plan. We got to deal with the gravel first. So, inventory. Alright, we're going to have to drop you out. I don't want any of this stuff. Ugh. Stop it! It's so dumb. I don't know why it does that. Unless I'm just... Maybe I'm misunderstanding what use conveyor system means. You guys can let me know in the comment. It could be because everything else is so full, it's going to push it in there anyway. Maybe that's what's going on. Somebody in the comments will know, I'm sure. Alright. Dump all that. Grab you. Dump you. So, let's get this thing cleaned out. Leave the gravel in there, because we want that anyway. But I kind of like to get the stuff out of the stone first. Alright, turn you on. Let it chew through all that. So then I just have to manually pull gravel out of here. I dump? No, I can't dump. Unfortunately. The only thing I can figure is it's ignoring the setting because everything is too full. That's why I was trying to build the, I could dump it in there, couldn't I? I was trying to build the giant cargo container. Not working out that great. Dump you. Oops. Pull you out. So, let me get all the gravel cleared up, and I'll bring you all back in. Okay. Got all the gravel finally sorted out. Grab the carbon out of there. Now, what was I doing? We're gonna make a torch. Or welder. Did we get the welder made? Welder. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Get rid of that crap. Character tools. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay, I want to make a conveyor sorter. Build planner is empty. But I should have moved this down. It takes 100 heating elements, huh? I want to move it. I'd have to do some fancy plumbing to put a sorter up here. What's it take to make heating elements? Forgot to turn my phone on vibrate. Trying to get some recording done. You guys know it how it is. Busy, 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 busy. Production. Fabricator. Oh, it's just iron and copper. They're easy to make. I think we'll move this underground.
Inventory full.
Yeah. All right. Throw that in there. Oh, I'm looking forward to welding with this new welder. It reminds me of a propane torch, so I keep calling it a torch. Are you in there? Okay. Some of that got damaged. Maybe from the lightning strike. I do keep getting lightning strikes around here. Okay, I'm tempted though. Let's... I kind of want to cover this up a bit. So if we do take a lightning strike, just the armor plate will take the hit rather than getting down into the base. Okay, ice. We need ice for power. That moved all the way in. Excellent. So we can move you back over. Put the rotor lock on. And I should just need to reverse this piston. Send that back out. Scraping ice. Need to get more solar panels built, but one thing at a time. Alright, I can hear the engines running. I could hear the engines running. Where's all of our ice going? Really? A bunch of gravel again. As it's processing all that stone. Oh, now it's getting into the ice again. Alright, sweet. Oh, so much to do, so much to do. I need to build... What's our priority? Probably getting that incinerator back up. We could build that. And just tuck that back in a corner somewhere. Back over in here, maybe. We've already got the connections. Just need to throw a sorter on here. Y'all ready for some drilling? We're just gonna right-click drill. We're getting more than enough stone drilling out with that piston. What I do need to do, though, is grab some metal plates. I don't have a way to grab those over here. I have a little access point back here. Just grab a whole bunch of metal. Painted these yellow just for something different. Alright, come on, ready? Hoi! Nope. Ready and go! There we go. Alright, right click, drill. And let's just bring you over. So we have a known surface to work off of. Oh, it's faster. I like it. So I think the next step up in tools...
Energy low.
It might come from the advanced assembler. Of course, we're getting low on energy again. Just run over here to the hab. Do I have food in here? I do. Grab some of those. Let's get recharged. The apples, it seems like you can eat them one right after the other. I guess you eat them really fast as compared to the emergency ration, which takes a little while. Oops. I moved the mouse slightly. There we go. Good to go. Still need to replumb this at some point. Too much oxygen, it won't ever open. Okay, a little more drilling, we'll get the incinerator down. Speaking of which, do I have any heating elements? Heating elements. I have a bunch of scrap. I've got a few. Let's go to fabricator and just make another 100. Some of the other things use some heating elements. Be good to have on hand. Okay, I think we'll just branch off of here. So we need a T-junction there. And then a conveyor sorter. This means I need to go get parts. A lot of running around for parts. Alright, let's dump everything in there. And I need a conveyor. T. Conveyor. Oh, an inline conveyor sorter. Interesting. So regular. Interesting. So that takes the same amount. Okay. Didn't realize they had that. That's a mod, of course. But I want just a regular full grid conveyor sorter, which is kind of expensive to make. We can make the advanced computers. I'm not sure we have the aluminum plate, but we'll see. And then we need the incinerator. One of those. Give me parts.
Inventory full.
Yeah. Alright, conveyor T. Like so. It was a lot faster. Very good. Okay, then we need the conveyor sorter coming off of there. And while we're here, let's name that one. We'll eventually have more of those. I think we're going to need at least one more block out. Able to place. Oh, it's too tall. It's too tall. Shoot. I didn't think about that. Alright, well, change the plans. I already put the aluminum plate in there, so I don't want to destroy that. Aluminum is precious right now, until I get a bauxite mine going. I thought that was 2 blocks high. Didn't realize it was like 3 blocks high. Okay, well, I'm gonna drill down some more. We're gonna need that down in a trench. And we're gonna have to come out some more because we're gonna have to elbow down and elbow out. Okay, there we go. Then we can just elbow down to it. We'll make it work. Take a little more plumbing than I intended. Alright, so we have that completed, and we need 2 more elbows. Conveyor. There we go. Then we'll have to get that. We'll have to get that plumbed back into the main with a one-way. But it takes a lot of gravel to make carbon, so that can actually wait. And I need to get rid of that and then pull the rest of that stuff in. Can I cut through here? Yeah, here we go. Let's just cut through here. Okay. See what we can get produced out of that. Takes a lot of steel plate, but that's cheap to make. Alright, we need to go back up to corner tube. Nope, we're completely out of steel plate.
Energy low.
Story of my life. Let some of that stuff build, and we'll head in here and get recharged. Oxygen bottle is full. Great. Don't need to sleep. I know, next time I come in here, I'll probably sleep through the night. I'm not sure if there's a setting. It'd be nice if you could choose whether you wanted to sleep through the night or if you just wanted to recharge your suit. Alright, we'll pull another load of stuff. Let's get these put in place. No! We should have made steel plates, so something's probably borked in the production department. Yeah, we need aluminum plate. Alright, let's go see what's borked. Production plate stamp. Oh, you're cranking out stuff. No problem. We're out of aluminum, though. So, if you go to smelter... Oh, right, right, right. I need to move the advanced scrap. It's gonna mess me up. If I run out of room, we'll do that. So I need to move the advanced scrap down to the refinery. We can reclaim some of that. Scrap, scrap, scrap. Synthetic fabric scrap. Does that go to the synthetic factory? We'll try it. Alright, let's run that down to the refinery. Got my hands full. Industrial refinery, there we go. Nope. Take that stuff, though. No, I'm not sure what you do with the synthetic fabric scrap. Well, that got us a little more aluminum, but I'm not sure we're going to have enough. Since I deposited my stuff, my build planer is going to be all messed up. I have to put those apples back. Plenty of oxygen, so we'll just blow that out into the atmosphere. Get into the charge real quick. Let's see, I need to duck back over here. Alright, you need a little more steel plate. You need aluminum, and then I'll add the 2 elbows that we need. One more aluminum plate, it looks like. We need advanced computers. It's missing the... so we need 40 plastic. Put plastic's in there, but okay. So this will be functional with the advanced computers. It won't be finished without another aluminum plate, but that's okay. Get you completely done. Get you to rotate. Your short construction components, huh? Oh, not extruder. Fabricator. Should make me 200 of those. 100 of those. Probably out of those, so let's make some more. One aluminum plate. We're one aluminum plate short, but it'll still work. Alright, let me go put these construction components in there. Oops. Oh. That worked. Okay. I need to go make 40 plastic. Right? To get those advanced computers that we need. Yeah, so we need 40 plastic. Gold wire. Gold wire. Should have plenty of that. All right, it just hasn't pulled it in yet. So we need 20 plastic. What do we need to make 20 plastic? That's a great question. Production, 20 plastic. It's going to take 30 polymer. And it says it has everything to make the 30 polymer. Beautiful. Let's do that then. And then I'll probably just have it make as much polymer as it can. It's going to take just a little bit, so let me put a cut in here, and we'll continue once I've got the advanced computers. Alright, it's exciting times. Made our first 20 advanced computers. Woohoo! It's expensive to make that polymer, though. I've noticed. So I'll have to go on a sulfur run eventually. But getting the sorter set up... I should have went the other way. That will at least allow me to make lots of carbon. Alright, set you up. We want you to be whitelist. And I want you to grab gravel. And drain all. There we go. Pumping out the carbon. I need to build some conveyors. I could come back over here and tee in there. Lots of possibilities. Alright, how are we doing on space? If I look at my small cargo containers. There we go. Getting down a little bit. But I'm going to need to go on a bauxite run. Soon. Very soon. So what do I need? Let's take a quick look here. We got that done, except for the aluminum. Programmable block. 50 advanced computers, which means it takes twice as... I need 100 plastic. Yikes. I don't think I have that much sulfur. I've got this cranking out the polymers. Yeah, that's going to take some doing. That would get us Izzy's running, which would help a lot. Yeah, 50, so 100 plastic. So 150 polymer. We might actually pull that off. Might just be able to do it. So I need 60 more plastic. Let's just get 100 queued up. Throw that in front. So if it has polymer, it'll crank those out. I'll just have to sit there and feed it. But yeah, so we're going to have to go get some sulfur. We're going to have to go get some bauxite eventually. Lots to do. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this drill back on, I think. Let it finish getting all the way out there. It's only got 6 more meters to go. Then we'll have room over there to build stuff. We do have coal down below. So that's a possibility for an energy source. I don't know. I haven't done any experimenting, because you would think having steam in a closed loop You wouldn't have to continually generate steam, but I don't know if they model it that way. But if we go to, is it under power blocks? Yeah, we've got all the steam stuff. Want to go really deep, you could do the geothermal. Steam turbine. Must be connected to a source of steam. Oh, we need titanium for that. Not sure we have titanium on Mars. Have to look into that. Coal boiler produces steam. That's easy to make. No problem. I assume you have to feed it ice. Interesting. Very low storage, but extremely high burst output potential. Ah. Neat. Wow. So the coal boiler is easy to make. The steam turbine takes quite a bit. Titanium. I don't know if we have titanium. I have to look into that. I want to do a lot of solar. Solar is easy to build, in theory. Why are you showing me a wind turbine with a solar panel? Okay. Interesting. I just need the solar cells. Those are easy to make. Once we get a little bit of capacity going, I'm going to start putting out a lot of solar cells. And then we'll probably just have the hydrogen as like a backup, because there is a limited amount of ice around the base. But anyway, I think that'll be it for this episode. We got the sorter done. That's exciting. Let's go see as we end here just how much carbon have we got. 40 carbon after chugging through all that gravel. But hey, we won't be filling up with gravel anymore, so there is that. So, yeah, we need sulfur for sure. Got plenty of silicon. We can make carbon. We need to get some more sorters set up, and then I can have this automated and won't have to worry about it. But I'll probably, yeah, I need a filter coming in here. I need a sorter coming in here. Because I don't want to bring stone into the mix. If you run stone through here, you just get gravel. Then you can't get any of the trace elements. So I built another smelter. I think I showed that. Back over there where the original one was. So that one just processes stone. And then this one down here will process the crushed ores. So we'll need a sorter coming in this way. Yeah, because that's a one-way out, so it can't get in that direction. So we can just decide what we want to bring over to the ore crusher. And then I probably need to pull... Yeah, I need to replumb all this once we can make more sorters. It just kind of expanded out. And I got the big container down there to tie into. I'll get it all figured out. I just need to get more stuff, like sulfur, so I can make more sorters. And then once you have the sorters, you can plumb it however you want, get things where they need to go. That'll be it for this one. Thanks as always for hanging out. And I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Oh, I need to go get charged. Put your drill away. We're born in a barn.